Replacement kit. These metal magnetic plates work with any magnet car phone holder mount. Simply stick the magnet plate pad to the back of any iPhone, Android or tablet. The extra strength sticky metal plate and protective film ensure a long-lasting hold. Strong hold. These phone metal plates act like sticky pads and are made with a heat-resistant automotive-grade formula. They are designed to provide a strong backing in all types of environments. The metal pads are 100% mobile device safe. Universal compatibility. Our metal phone plate works with any magnetic car cell phone holder. The metal plates come in different sizes to support large and smaller size devices. Apply directly to your wireless device or phone case. Protective film. The protective films act like double-sided sticky pads and are designed to easily mount and remove the magnetic plate without damaging your phone. Apply the protective film to the back of your phone before adding the metal plate for phone magnet. Accessories included: large magic plates, small magic plates, protective film and online user manual. Buy with confidence, backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and 3-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. So Scosche might not like this, but instead of buying a new product, I just found this very helpful. This type of stickers from Walgreens for about $5, you get 4 and makes my life much easier than buy the whole pack. Either way, this magnets are the best of the best out here.